Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ania Coach Prince. I'm a digital marketer and a website developer. And in this channel is where I talk about businesses, strategies, digital marketing, all based on things that can actually make you money online. So in this video training, I'm going to show you the same training that made me over 100k online. And this training is a training that was arranged by Franklin Emmanuel. It's actually named the Accelerator Academy. Yes, it's called the Affliate Accelerator Academy. So it's all about affiliate marketing. So in this training, actually, of course, you know about affiliate marketing. It's basically a business model that allows you to promote someone else's products without you owning those products. And after one, so per sales, which could be per sales, you earn commissions for every sales you make. So in this, okay, we are live. Okay, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this live. Okay, my name is Uche, Anya Uche Prince, and I'm a digital marketer and also an affiliate marketer. So, okay, let me go ahead and remove my screen. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this so that you can see what I have here. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so now I know you guys have seen me a lot talk about affiliate marketing, and some of you have been like, how come you're not no longer talking about your business, which is digital marketing and web design? It's not like I don't, but I always like things that will actually guarantee you a massive result. I'm not saying that digital marketing does not, but I'm saying that I have done affiliate marketing and I've seen how it works, and that is why I'm actively involved in letting everybody who knows me know that there's a business called affiliate marketing and there's a lot of money you can make with it. And that is why I'm bringing about this training. I can see this is not my picture, this is not me. For those of you that know, this is Franklin Emmanuel, and this is a super affiliate marketer. This is a super, I don't know how to start expressing him. I'll tell you how did I get to meet him? I think earlier last year, I think November, no, October, no, I think September, yeah, between that period, and I kind of, wise to do my business, I kind of made, I'm actively involved in YouTube and finding for information for my client, and yeah, but I just found out his ad on YouTube because I do follow him. I got a lot of value from him. I just found out from my ad from YouTube and an ad from YouTube, and I saw about this training. I'll be like, okay, let me just give it a try. And from there, wow, it's amazing. It's amazing, guys. If you have heard about affiliate marketing and you see things is scam, I want to clear this out to you that this business is not a scam. It's a buying and selling business. So anything that's buying and selling business cannot be a scam. Now, how do I mean by buying and selling business? Affiliate marketing is simple a business mode that allows you to promote someone else's product that you don't even own. This is what it means. So if right now in this era now, I don't even need to have a shop. I don't even need to open any physical place for me to make money. I can just simply meet someone that sells a product from online or offline. Of course, some of you have done drop shipping. Some of you, that's from that idea of drop shipping. It's likely to how this business mode works. It's not job shipping, but it's just that the way this business mode runs, it's way huge, and the stream of income that you can get with it, it's amazing. It's amazing. So this let me just get forward to this training. This training by Franklin Emmanuel is he's finally living the same video. I'm finally living the same video training that made me 100k. Or I think I need to change the spelling here actually. So in a week, I know some of you. I know a lot of digital marketers guys that, and I want to even show you that in this a week I made this. I didn't do this with a website. In fact, my digital marketing agencies I run, I have not built any website for, but I make a lot of money. I design website for people. Imagine, for some people, I feel like I need to have a website online before I make money online. No, I made money online without designing a website. I design website for people without having my own website, my own personal website. Imagine. So in this business mode, you don't even need to have a website, you don't even need to have a product to sell online. It's just a simple business model that allows you to promote someone else's product. And in this training, you are going to be getting a lot of value from Franklin and from me, of course, because I've done it and it has worked for me. So imagine what your life could be if you followed exact same method that Franklin, a super athlete, presented in this training. So what really can, when you make extra 50K or 100K, I know of some of it that made extra more than that, but I'm just putting this down for some people that I have not. So this is not the exact figure I can make. I make more than I have. I know of somebody that I know of a friend and a colleague, and he stays close. I do see him every time. He makes. In fact, last week he made 1.2 million naira from Affiliate Marketing in a week. In a week, he made that. And when I see people say that affiliate marketing is scam, it's something I do, and I don't see how this business is a scam. No, you cannot really experience the power of this business if you don't actually try it. If you don't actually see how, okay, let me just see how it works or how it doesn't work. And to even talk more about that, Franklin Emmanuel has a YouTube channel. You just start searching his YouTube tab by Franklin Emmanuel, and I can see large numbers of people he has. This guy has made so much money that was even made what made me to even say, okay, let me look at this training, and wow, it's amazing. So I'm going to be sending this link anyway for anyone that wants to go through this link again to get more insight of what you are getting. So this was me. You can see when Frankie said, congrats with your prints on sales. This was me when we did over 500K in sales in a week. Guys, in a week, if you are not in this training, guys, you are missing a lot. Now, this training is by Franklin himself alone. He's going to be explaining to you the same training that I made, same training that I took place to earn this amount of money. So, guys, this is you, and you can see you don't even need a product to have. You don't even need to have experience. You don't even need to deal with a client. So as a digital marketer, I don't know. I'm trying to go away from active work whereby I have to it does it look like I'm being lazy, right? Yes, right. But I'm trying to look at a work, a business that can actually do that. I won't be actively on it. I want to be have to do some work, have to do some physical work for in money, and this business has granted me that access, and that's why I talked about it. So I'm still a digital marketer, I'm still a developer, but this business brought me crazy money. And you can guys, this is a training for you. Just click on the link. I will drop the link and you just go ahead and try it. Look at how this is business not what this business is not, it is not a multi-level marketing like some people think it's a referral something. It does not. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to do anything that has to do with you creating a product or finding what to create. No, you simply pick a product that somebody owns and you promote it. Then how to find this product, how to market this product, how to make your money is what Franklin will teach you. Moreover, after Franklin teaches you, you also get to learn from me. You also learn the same method, because of course Franklin is a super athlete now. And the way he's going to doing these things now is going to be much more super. So when you're learning from me, who's still coming up to be a super athlete like Franklin, it's going to be much more different. Now this is someone that joined our mentorship group just 3 days ago, and he has already made over 40K in a day. So guys, what are you waiting for? This training is what you need. Sign up now and see more about this training. Just go over this link, look at more about this training, and sign up, and you see much